So hey YouTube, nice of you to join. So a couple of days ago it was my birthday. Yeah, happy birthday to me. So today I want to do an unboxing. I've got some boxes, large boxes, and I got another box, which one is even a lot bigger and more heavier. This one is really heavy. This one is really heavy. So we're gonna do an unboxing together. I've been waiting for the presents for well, a couple of weeks now. I know what's in them. I mostly paid for them myself, but I had to wait for it for my birthday to unwrap them. And then I had to wait for my lovely hat. Don't you laugh? My lovely hat, which came too late. Ali, also these things. Not really loud, and I mean, what the? So, what the fuck? So don't buy this shit from Ali. You shouldn't buy these on Ali. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna start with the large box first. It came a long way, all the way from China. I had to wait weeks and weeks, so I don't know, I bought it like somewhere in January. I don't know precisely. So I'm gonna unbox it. So there it is. This is going to be a new project. You're probably very curious what it's going to be. I can give you a clue. It has to do with cars. It has to do with Italian cars. Well, there we go. This is a new project. There we go. Let's see if I can do it like this. I think it should work. It's red. Holy. There we go. So, hope you can see it properly. Cada, not Lego. Cada. It's quite a big one. I recently made that Lego Ferrari 488 GT3 car. You should really watch the video. I made an unboxing, speed build, and I'm planning to do the same for this one. Yeah, it's a Ferrari 488 and it's very heavy. It has a lot of pieces, 3,187 pieces. So it's called the Italian supercar from Cada. It's being designed by Bruno Jensen. There are a lot of clips on internet already of this car. This is not a Lego channel, you know. I'm driving most of the time, and I recently bought my first Lego set myself. I got Lego when I was a little kid from my parents, from my grandparents, and well, this is my second set I'm buying myself. And yes, it's not Lego, but it is compatible. It's exactly the same. Maybe a little less quality, I don't know. They say it's a very nice set. It has 3 engines and remote control. Eat that, Lego. So it has, obviously it has steering, it has forward and reverse, and it even has a working gearbox. Remote controlled gearbox. So when you're driving, you have 4 gears, and it will go faster and faster. And it even has those flappy pedals behind the wheel. And they're actually working. They're actually working. So yeah, loving it. And yeah, I hope we will have some fun with it. So next box. I haven't unwrapped it yet. So this is also a surprise for me. It's also about an Italian car. And let's see, let's find out. And there you go, it's a steering wheel for an Italian car, my car. So let's unwrap it. It's a custom made wheel. Some buttons.
Yeah, need some assembly.
I have it. There goes, guys, there goes. There we go. It's a custom wheel. Let me see if you can see it properly. It's a custom made wheel. Perforated leather on the sides. Let me turn it around. And it has the indicator on top. All custom made with a color especially for my Alfa Romeo, going with my brown interior. And I also have the door handles for the front, for the doors, with the same stitching. You can see it on the back, stitching. It's all custom made, the color I want it. So it's like this, it's pretty light, but you obviously need the airbag, the horn, and the buttons left and right, and some silver elements. So very nice, very nice. Yeah, very nice. I'm going to show it some more. I hope you can see it properly. Stitching. So there you go. This is going into my Alfa Romeo GT, and then the interior is finished. It's finally finished. I will put an update online once it's finished. Don't worry about it. So yeah, there you go. So those were my birthday presents. I'm very happy with it. I had to wait for my birthday to unwrap it. I actually had to wait even longer because I was waiting for the head, and then I didn't have the time. I had to do this race the other day, so I was training for that. So and finally, there it is. So we got ourselves a Cada Italian race car, and we got us a nice steering wheel. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, give a like, hit the bell icon, subscribe, and give a like for my head. Don't you love it? So thanks again, take care, bye guys.